Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch off the iPhone 17. The same methodology should work with any recent iPhones, specifically the ones without Touch ID. Anyway, let's get started. First things first, unlock your device, and then find the power button at the right hand side of your device and the volume down button on the rocker on the left hand side of your device, and press and hold them for approximately 1 second at the same time. So I'm just about to do that now. And then you have a little slider at the top which is slide to power off. Now you also have the option to make an emergency call or to cancel and go back to your home screen. So I'll just show you again. I'm going to cancel. Now, if you hold the power button and the volume down button, you get given the screen with the slider to power off, and then in my case I get a little warning about Find My still working, and that's how to power off your device. Great. If that doesn't make sense to you, if you think you need a little bit more of an explanation, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We don't just cover iPhones, we also cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.